Hey friends, in this video we are going to unbox the Artis BT-R10, and as always this is Ajay and you're watching Tech with AJT.
It's going down for real.
So hey friends, this is the box of the Artis BT-R10. So first we'll check some specifications written on the box, like it supports USB input, it supports FM radio, aux input, 10 meters of range, card reader, 4 hours of playback time, LED display, hands-free calling, 2 speakers which are 52 mm, and one speaker each is 6 watt, which makes it total of 12 watts. So now let's check what you get inside the box. So this is the cover, like you can see. So you have to just remove this, and inside this cover there is a box. Like from this side you can see this is the speaker. Oh, just that much. So first we'll remove the speaker. So the accessory box, no, first the accessory box. Like this is the accessory box. You get your manual, which no one reads, and this is the aux cable, your charging cable. So friends, now I'll just clean everything up and then we'll look at the speaker. So friends, first thing out of the box, I must say the build quality is quite good. It's not that great, it's not that bad, but it's moderate. Like the whole shell is made out of plastic, all the sides are made out of soft touch plastic, but there are some rough edges also. Like at the back you get this kind of design which feels and looks quite great, and because of this design it's quite grippy to hold. The speaker is quite grippy, and on the top you can see a rubber cover. Below that rubber cover you can see the power on off button, your USB port, your SD card slot, your charging port, your aux input, and on the top you can see your informative display over here. You can see more buttons like your play, pause, changing modes, changing tracks, changing volume up down button over here. And in the front you get your grills. You have your 2 speakers, your Artis logo over here. And first thing friends, the feature wise also the speaker is quite great. Like in this budget you don't get this kind of features. Like you get a USB port as I've shown, SD card slot, you get a 2200 mAh of battery, which is bigger than the Artis BT-405 and the 306, which are more costly than this speaker. And you have a LED strip also over here. When I'll switch the speaker on, just check it out, and you get 10 meters of range, and you get a microphone also, so you get hands-free calling also. So friends, now we'll move on to the sound test of this speaker. So now let's check. There is some juice inside the speaker. I'll just switch it on. As you can see, high on the top, the informative display,
Bluetooth mode.
yeah, your LED strip over here. So now I'll just connect my next. Oh, it just gets connected to my Nexus 6P. So I will just play this song. The name of the song is Alibaba by Sparrow Beats. So the volume from my device is full, as you can see. So I'll just play the song. So friends, as you have heard this speaker, now we come to a conclusion that this speaker is quite great. Like you get great build quality, You get great sound also. The sound is top notch, but still at max volume at 30 you get some amount of distortion, which is quite minor, but still there is some distortion, a little bit of distortion. It has great bass though. It has got lots and lots of bass for those bass headers out there watching this video right now. But if you keep the volume till 25, it's superb. Like, you don't have that kind of issue, that distortion issue. But if you're listening to songs with no bass, like sad types of songs which doesn't have that kind of bass, you can go up to 30. You will not have that distortion also. And you get lots of features also with this one, like you get a USB port, SD card slot, and the battery backup is also great on this speaker. So that's a great stuff. And friends, if you get this kind of speaker, like this type of LED strip in the front, one side is bright and one side is dim, please exchange that speaker, because it might be some kind of a quality issue, but the speaker is quite dope in my opinion, and you will not get this kind of speaker anywhere. Like, for this price point it's very great, but just replace your speaker because of this LED strip. And friends, this is it for now. This is the unboxing and review of the Artis BT-R10. Thank you for watching, friends.